Hello students, I welcome you to the class of Qatar History. Today we will continue with lesson 2, Main Qualities of Sheikh Jassem. Our objective, to identify the qualities of Sheikh Jassem. Now children, who is the founder of Qatar? I'm very happy to hear your answer. You all said Sheikh Jassem. Excellent. So who is a founder? The founder of an institution, organization or building is a person who got it started or caused it to build. So now let's begin in detail. This is how your book looks like. Main qualities of Sheikh Jassem bin Mohammed bin Thani. Let's read. The most important qualities. My grandfather told me that Sheikh Jassem bin Mohammed bin Thani, may Allah's mercy be upon him, had very good qualities. He was a religious sheikh. Sheikh Jassem bin Mohammed bin Thani, may Allah rest him in peace, was a pious and religious man who feared and obeyed Allah, led people in prayers and judged between them on the basis of justice. What is the second quality? He was very humble. Jassem bin Mohammed bin Thani was a humble man with good manners. He served his family and his guests and was kind to the poor. Jassem bin Mohammed bin Thani was a generous man who spent his money to help people. Everybody liked him. So children, what is generous? A generous person is someone who spends his money to help the poor. A generous person is loved by God and by people. What is the fourth quality of Sheikh Jassem? He was brave. Sheikh Jassem bin Mohammed bin Thani was a brave hero who was strong. Sheikh Jassem had a powerful character. I want to be strong and brave when I grow up, just like Sheikh Jassem bin Mohammed bin Thani. I'm sure you all are saying this in your mind right now. So children, Sheikh Jassem bin Mohammed bin Thani ruled Qatar for 35 years from 1878 to 1913. He was born in 1825. He was educated. He loved knowledge and adhered to his religion. Qatari tribes agreed on announcing him as a leader. On the 18th of December 1878, he took over the rule of Qatar. So what are the words to remember, children? They are religious, humble, generous. So I will show you some pictures which depict religion. You can see the mosque, you can see people praying the Friday prayer. Humble. As you can see, children are being humble. Always remember that you should be humble and kind. Generous. Now I will show you pictures depicting generosity. To be generous is to give. As you can see, there are people helping the poor, and if you have a chocolate, you share your chocolate with others. Even if you like to have the whole chocolate to yourself, you decide to share it with your brother or sister. That's being generous, or with your best friend. Children, remember to be generous and not to be greedy. Brave. We become brave by doing brave acts. Okay, now let's talk about promoting national identity. Do you know which is the oldest mosque in Qatar? Children, the oldest mosque in Qatar is known as Al Ruwais Mosque. It was built in the 1940s. I'm now showing you picture of another mosque. It's a state grand mosque, Imam Abdul Wahaba Masjid. Masjid is mosque. Look at how beautiful and elegant this is. Now let's take a look at the picture of Education City Mosque, another beautiful mosque. You see on top of the picture, what are these shapes, children? What kind of shape can you see? Let's do a connection with math. You may have learned this in geometry. A three-sided shape is called a triangle. A four-sided shape is called a quadrilateral. Okay, it could be a square, it could be a rectangle. A five-sided shape is called a pentagon, and a six-sided shape is called a hexagon. So let's find out some of the qualities of Sheikh Jassem that we learnt about. Sheikh Jassem bin Mohammed bin Thani was religious, humble, generous, brave, a poet and a scholar. That's all for today, my lovely students. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.